Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2. When I was enjoying last time the ride with the Audi A2, I asked myself how fast really it is, this 22-year-old car. It is a 1.4 petrol, 75 horsepower. So I decided that I will do an acceleration test from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. And let's see what will happen. I will try to find a piece of straight road straight road. It is today it is Sunday in the morning, so there is not a lot of traffic, and that would be perfect. And I will do two runs, one in one side direction and the other one in the second one, reverse direction, so that I will remove any effect that might let's say wind, it's quite windy today, or the road have. And according to the specs, my car should have 12.3 seconds to 100. So this was from factory, and they depending on the source, this is 11.9, 12.3, depends on the source, but let's say that the correct data is 12.3. So I would be quite happy if I will get 13. Probably it will be more towards 14 from 0 to 100, but we'll see what will happen. And of course I will not launch in the way that I would damage the car. I will be gentle, but try to be as fast as possible without grinding the gears or anything else. Anyway, let me now find a piece of straight road and let's see what will happen. And let's start with the first run. The car is nicely warmed up to the operating temperature. Let me reset the app, and now let's start. First run on one side. The second and the third, and now let's go to up to. And that's it. So this was it, and now let me just check. It's 14.4 from 0 to 100 according to the app, and not so bad. Yeah, so it's not so bad. I expected a little bit better maybe, but yeah, that's a nice 14.4 with regard that I didn't want to break the car or anything. So let's start now with the second run in the opposite direction. So here it is. Let me reset the app. Okay. So that's it. The app is reset and ready. 14.4 in one, and let's see. Okay. Third, and let's see, 14.4, and now I don't think it will be better. And done. Ooh, 16 seconds from 0 to 100. Okay, so not so bad. So let's say that average is 15.2, which is basically laughing in today's car's term. But yeah, that's it, what you get from a 22-year-old car with 75 horsepower. And so these are the results. Not really something that I expected. 15.2 from 0 to 100. That's really slow, especially in the view of today's cars, when for example an electric SUV, for not a super sport SUV, it has from a 0 to 100, I don't know, 5 seconds, for example ID5 GTX or something like that. So this is quite laughable, but yeah, I'm still smiling, so I don't really care about the 0 to 100 acceleration time, because the car gives me a lot of fun, and this is why I have it. when driving, even if it is slow. So thank you for watching. I hope that this answered to your question. Is it fast? It is not. How much can you expect if you don't want to break the car? And this is somewhere around 15 seconds from a 0 to 100. And thank you for watching. Drive safe, and of course smile when you drive, because driving is always fun, especially if you drive Audi A2. And now I will have a little bit more fun with Audi A2. Bye.